Now I'm going to show you how to find articles using the Opposing Viewpoints database. You're going to click on the Find Articles tab from the library homepage, and then return to the General Knowledge area on the page. You're going to look just above the words Reference Sources to see Opposing Viewpoints in the list and click on it. This is the home page for Opposing Viewpoints. We'll continue with our search for articles on gun control and the Second Amendment. However, instead of doing a keyword search, we are going to use the Browse Issues page to learn more about our topic. Click on the Browse Issues button located in the center right of the screen. This will take you to the Browse Issues page, which contains a list of issues arranged in alphabetical order. You're going to find gun control among the list of issues and click on the link. This is the issue page for gun control. Start by looking at the overview and click on the Read More button. The overview provides a breakdown of the issue, including key concepts and opposing viewpoints. Click your browser's back button to return to the gun control page. Below the overview is the On This Page section, which features search results organized by source type. The Opposing Viewpoints database is unique in offering viewpoint essays as a separate category. Viewpoint essays can be particularly helpful when writing an argumentative essay. We can now focus our search for articles on gun control and the Second Amendment by using the Search Within These Results function. We will enter our other search terms to narrow our results. We're going to enter Second Amendment, and Supreme Court. Our results can be narrowed further by selecting a source type. Let's look at magazines. Follow the magazines link to view the search results. To ensure we are viewing the most up-to-date articles, use the drop-down menu at the top of the results page to select Sort By and Newest. Our results are now sorted with the most recent articles first. Click on an article's title to view a detailed record of that article. This is the article page. The author, publication date, source, and publisher may be found just below the title at the top of the article, where the article text is located below. Scroll down to read the article. Lastly, I'd like to point out the tools available in Opposing Viewpoints when viewing an article. Go to the top of the page and look at the right of the Opposing Viewpoints search box. You can obtain the citation for your article by clicking on the Cite button and selecting the appropriate citation format. You can also email the article to yourself or print it. During this session and the last video, I covered the advantages of using library databases over internet search engines like Google, Bing, and Yahoo to find articles for your research assignment. I also demonstrated the Academic Search Premier and Opposing Viewpoints databases to find articles, as well as helpful features and tools of each. Now it's your turn to use these databases to find articles for your assignment. As a reminder, if you need help with research, databases, or citations, please contact the library. Reference librarians are available through chat or email. Thank you.